What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and we have a couple of unboxings today. So I have 2 to 3 parcels that we are gonna unbox today, and I received all of these from Aliexpress. And so yeah, let's begin with the unboxing of the smaller package. So this is a black kind of plastic package that we have, so let's get rid of it and see what we have inside. So while cutting through this, I have already ripped off the inner package, but the product is fine. So this is the additional strap for the Mi Band 3 or the Mi Band 3. So I have done a couple of videos for this. You can check the link in the description below. So this is like the Apple Watch sports band. So I don't currently use Mi Band because I recently got a Gear S3 Sport, or the Gear S3 Frontier to be more precise. And so I don't use Mi Band 3, but as soon as I get the Mi Band 3, I'll just make a separate video for this, so stay tuned for that. So let's check out the another package what we have here. So again, let's get rid of the plastic and see what's the actual package inside. So it's a 3-in-1 adapter. So you can see the bottom one supports a quick charge, and the two on the top supports 2.1 ampere. So this supports Qualcomm quick charge 3.0, and I really wanted this so that I can charge my OnePlus 6 and my Gear Sport at the same time. But I tried using the original OnePlus cable, and it doesn't support dash charge, it only supports normal charging. But nonetheless, it's really good and convenient. I can charge two devices with the same adapter. So let's get access to the third package, and let's cut to the plastic and see what we have inside. So as far as I think, we have something more in this. So as you can see, we have earphones in this. So we have 4 earphones, and these are the AKG earphones. Of course, they are not original, they are just a rip-off or a clone or a copy of the AKG earphones, but there are no AKG branding on this. But they look pretty similar to the one that we get with the Galaxy Note 8, Galaxy Note 9, or even with the Samsung Galaxy S8 or S9, and they sound really good. So they are braided cables, and they are really good quality. So I got one for rupees 70, and yeah, so that's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video. So in case if you want any of the links, let me know. I'll share you the same with you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab signing off. Have a great day. Deuces.